Mehbooba Mufti has mourned the death of Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah and cancelled a planned rally leading to sharp criticism from the BJP. The BJP accused Mufti of shedding crocodile tears and questioned her priorities. The move has sparked a fresh political confrontation, with BJP leaders calling out her stance on Hezbollah. The BJP has called out Mehbooba Mufti after she cancelled her planned campaigning yesterday, and this is after she cited solidarity with the victims of Lebanon and Gaza, and this is coming in after the killing of Hassan Nasrallah, the chief of Hezbollah. Listen in to what Kavindra Gupta has to say from the BJP.
हिजबुल्लाह के जो कमांडर है नसरुल्लाह, उसकी मौत पर महबूबा मुफ्ती को इतनी तकलीफ क्यों है? जब बांग्लादेश में हिंदुओं का कत्लेआम होता है तब इनकी आवाज बंद हो जाती है। आज इजराइल पर हमला करने वाला हजीबुल्लाह, उसका कमांडर अगर मारा जाता है तो ये एक दिन के लिए प्रचार बंद कर देती है। ये घड़ियाली आंसू हैं, मगरमच्छ के आंसू हैं। लोग इसकी सारी जो मंशा है उसको समझते हैं। इस प्रकार के षड्यंत्र करने से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। इंसानियत के नाते जो बात करनी वही सही है। जिस व्यक्ति ने पूरे दुनिया में आतंक फैलाया था उसका मरना ही ठीक है।
Viewers, we're joined live by my colleague Zeenat from Srinagar. Zeenat, could you help us understand now that Mehbooba Mufti had cancelled her campaigning for yesterday, and now the BJP is lashing out? What is this going to look like in terms of how it's going to pan out for the final election phase? How's that looking for the political scene in J&K?
See, yesterday and the day before yesterday, the Kashmir Valley, most of the Shia pockets witnessed these kind of protests, and these were anti-Israel and anti-American protests, and they were mourning the death or the killing of the Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah. But meanwhile, the BJP has been training guts at Mehbooba because she was the second leader to call off her campaign. The first was Agha Rola, who's an MP from Srinagar and also comes from the Shia sect. BJP has questions that Mehbooba should clear her stand as far as this killing or this killing of Nasrallah is concerned. What is her stand? What is her policy? Why she is not shedding tears when it comes to Bangladesh? That has also been put on fire by the anti-national elements. But as of now, as we see as the day pans, we'll see that whether any kind of protest will be held today in the Kashmir Valley. Because yesterday evening also there had been a meeting that was chaired by IG Kashmir VK Pridi in connection with the law and order situation on the ground. And then the elections, the third phase of election will be held tomorrow, for which the security has been beefed up across Jammu and Kashmir. In Kashmir, the pockets where the Shia people reside, there the number of the security men has definitely gone up. There had been certain meetings of the administration of the police with the Shia association leaders to tell them that to stop this protest, because the government is not ready to take any chance as far as the election process is concerned. And in many pockets tomorrow, the elections will be held because the focus tomorrow will be North Kashmir. As of now, if we see the protests in the Kashmir Valley from downtown Srinagar to the Budgam, central Kashmir, the protests were held. They were the peaceful protests. They did not disturb the law and order. They did not disturb the traffic situation. It was a well-arranged, well-made protest that were held. People were seen shouting slogans, holding the placards, expressing their disappointment. But it was a peaceful one, and now the government has been trying since day before yesterday evening to have some kind of talks with the Shia association, these Anjuman leaders, so that the situation remained peaceful. Yesterday also the protests were held, but the situation did not turn volatile. Two leaders called for their campaigns to that they called their campaigns to be campaigning to be in. One was Agha Ruhullah and the another was Mehbooba. Both the leaders have stopped the campaigning, though when they called off their campaigning, it was hardly few hours left for the campaigning to be in. Yesterday, Umar was seen in the North Kashmir where he was campaigning for National Conference candidate there. Umar Abdullah also said that they have been appealing to the world powers that they should stop killing of people of Gaza and Palestine, and they have sympathies. Whatever is happening, it is disturbing. So overall, in these protests,
Zeenat, thank you so much for those details coming in from J&K after Mehbooba Mufti cancelled her campaigning after the killing of the Hezbollah chief, while protests are taking in J&K.